Hey, this is Mike. If you love motorcycles or motorcycle-related content, then check out our channel, Riding in the Ozarks, where we talk about riding, rallies, gear, and wrenching. We'll take you along from Sturgis to Bikes, Blues, and Barbecue to local bike shows. We'll share with you some of the most beautiful places we've gotten to ride, whether it's state parks or national monuments. Occasionally we'll do a gear review and a little bit of wrenching on our bikes and share those experiences with you as well. Sometimes I get an opportunity to do a walk around or a first ride even on unique motorcycles you don't see every day. And we try and keep you up to date on the latest news that affects the motorcycle community, whether it's rallies that are canceling or changing their dates, or legislation that affects the motorcycle community. You stay safe out there and keep on riding.